look at. I think I'll very well.
Wonderful to hear. Sheila, and you, what do you think?
Well, I don't mind losing the clutter on the fireplace, but I've got my family photo on the end table over there, and I've got some plants. I'm great.
These cross not be more. I mean, it's a very craftsman home now. Wonderful warm. It just is perfect. Let's look back at our makeover. Game table where Fred before and now roomy game table for on these windows in this very early pillowcase drapery tree. Well, now we have these Roman shades. What do you think, Sheila?
Oh, I think they're great, Michael. It's something that I would have never thought of putting somewhat bougie there. It looks great.
And it sort of feels like fabric, doesn't
And it does. It's very soft.
And Fred, what do you think?
I think they're the perfect solution. They can allow the window to come out so the architecture and I mean, they're there to block the light of the window and they do their job very well.
And they just are sort of very good. I love the fact that they allow beautiful light to be coming through them. Well, you know, at least the sun is shining. You know, the best example of compromise in this whole room is on the whole subject of seating. I mean, Sheila, you always wanted a really beautiful fabric sofa, and you, Fred, always wanted. And here you have the sofa chair, and these two beautiful leather chairs. In fact, it all looks so inviting. Can I sit in your leather chair, Fred?
How would you consider the other chair?
Okay, let's go sit down for a while. Fred, nice and comfortable. I want one of these. This is wonderful. I have to tell you, this looks so nice. Are you both, Fred, Sheila, happy with the way it's turned out?
No, I'm very happy, Michael. It's very warm and inviting, and you did a great job. Couldn't have done it without you.
Oh, you are so sweet. It was so much fun working with you. And it was fun too, wasn't it?
It was. It was a lot of fun.
And Fred, are you happy too?
Oh yeah, it was great working with you. I think the furniture fits the house very well. It's well done.
Well, I have to say, Fred, your architect